guys, my name is Luca and welcome back to Space Engine. So in the previous episode, we explored the Milky Way galaxy and today we're exploring the Andromeda galaxy. So I think this is gonna be very fun. So let's start already. So let's enter the galaxy and look at all of these stars. Jeez. Well, let me go slower. Let's go to this one. Wait, let me just click it. If it works. Okay. Doesn't matter. Let's go to this one. Looks kind of. Okay. So these are binary. Binary stars are actually much common than people usually think. I see them very often. Okay, so now we've got these planets. Let's go to this blue one. It looks frozen. Guys, looks like this planet is frozen. Ooh. It has an atmosphere. It doesn't have clouds. So, yeah. Oh, the sky is very blue. And as you can see, there is the star. Oh, the temperature is like really cold, guys. Average temperature minus 63 Celsius. That's very cold, guys. But this planet is like really rocky. You can like see these bumps in the ground and like these mountains. And I think that's very cool. Yeah. Whoa, wait. Well, you can go hiking here. That would be fun. If it was not minus 63 Celsius. That's not very cool. But yeah, this is a very cool planet. Looks like... Wait a minute. It has 11 moons! Jesus! Wow. Look at this. I like these asteroids, like that are moons of a planet, but they're like shaped really weird. Wow. That's a nice view, look at that. You can like see the star right there and the planet. It looks like really... I don't know why like the word satisfying popped up in my head. But it looks very cool. Yeah, let's find another star. Like, this galaxy is so big that I have to go 4 light years to even barely move. And, ooh, look at this star. It's like brighter than the others. Okay. Oh. Look at that. Let me go slower. Ooh. Oh, crap. Okay. This star is ginormous. Okay, I almost said it wrong, but yeah, look at this star. It's so bright that it's like the color white. Stars are like usually orange or yellow, but this one is white, completely white. No way! This star is binary with a black hole. Whoa, okay. This is one giant black hole. Look at that. Wait, look. There is the galaxy M32. We can explore that galaxy in the next video. I mean, part 3. But yeah, this black hole is pretty cool. Look at that. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Wow. Black holes are very freaky in this game. I'm having a heart attack. Okay. Yeah. So, like, these planets are orbiting this black hole. So, let's go to this one. Looks pretty close to the black hole. Where is that black hole right now? Wait a second. What is that? Triangulum galaxy. Guys, I have never actually seen that galaxy. I didn't know that there is a galaxy like that. But yeah, so I don't know why my game is glitching a bit. Oh, you can't see the black hole. I thought like if you land on this planet you can see it, but even from flying like here you cannot see it. But yeah, that's actually pretty cool. A star that is binary with a black hole. Ooh. Wait, there is the Milky Way. Yeah, right here you can see it. But look at this nebula. Wow! Look at this. That's so cool. It has a cluster inside of it. Or like I just think yeah, that's a cluster. It's a small cluster. But hey, it's still a cluster. Wow. Let's go to this star right here. Wow. It has 12 planets. Wow, these first three are burning. Especially this one. Look at this one. This one is like half burnt, half not really burnt, but still burnt. Look at that view of the star and the nebula right here. Wow. You know, usually like these planets that are very close to its star have like a lot of moons, but those are just the fragments of the planet falling off and getting into its orbit. You know, that's so cool. I mean, this whole game is so cool. Yeah, you know what, guys? You know what? Let's search for planets with life in this galaxy. So, how do we do that? Enter the star browser. Go here and select temperate marine terra. And now we can search for it. So in the radius of 100 light years. Okay, so wait a second. This one, this system right here. Wait. Yeah, this. Oh my gosh, why is it moving? Why is it moving? Stop giving me more systems. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose it, guys. Where is it now? Oh my gosh, I hate it when it gives me so much like these systems. Guys, this here system has 2 planets with life. 2 planets with life. That's rare to find, especially like in another galaxy that like you don't know anything of. But yeah, like would you look at that? So this first like check out this planet. This is a gas giant. It has a thick atmosphere. So this gas giant has a aerial type of life. That's the life in like its air or the gas. And this second one has a marine life. That's like a life in water. Yeah, as you can see it right here. Ooh, it has rings too. Wow, there you can barely see them. They're so thin. But hey, it still has them. Ooh, look at this. This is like a volcano or a mountain. Yeah, look at that. That's one giant mountain. Oh crap, I have crashed into it. Whoa! This mountain is so giant that it touches the planet's atmosphere. And like that means that the mountain is like really big. Would you look at that? That is great. Like some of these planets in this game are so cool and unique that you would just wish that they really exist. But yeah, the water here is made of H2O, which is water. So, hey, that's actually really cool. So, there is life on this planet. That's crazy, bro. You know what, guys? You know what? Let's go to the edge of the Andromeda galaxy. Let's go right here. Like, this is the edge. Like, the edge. Yeah. Well, like, right this star. Wow, it's a blue star. Blue main sequence star. Aquaria Terra. Okay, so this one has land, so we can actually stand on it. It has an atmosphere and the clouds. Wait a second. I thought these white parts are the clouds. It's actually the terrain that is white. Maybe because it's like the farthest planet from its star. It like barely gets any heat, so a lot of parts are frozen. But it has a blue atmosphere just like Earth. And yeah, like a day on this planet maybe is 15 hours. But on a whole orbit around its star, it's 1,195,000 years. That's insane. Wait, hold up. There is a volcano. What? Bro, maybe it's like super far from its star, but it still somehow has volcanoes, which is pretty cool. Okay, is this shaped like what I think it's shaped? Oh my gosh. Okay. If you know, you know. Nice. So like that's the planet at the edge of the Andromeda. Wait. I haven't seen like the view. Oh, I have crashed into it. If I remove the atmosphere and the clouds, you can have this beautiful view at the Andromeda galaxy. Wow. Wow, this is just magnificent. Wait, this mountain right here. Wait, let's land on... Oh, it's another volcano. Wow, this is a great view of the galaxy. Whew. Incredible. It's just incredible. But yeah, bye-bye, planet. It was nice seeing you. Let's go back to our galaxy. I mean, not our, but the Andromeda galaxy. Wow. I have to go 26 kilo light years? Wait, how is this called? Kilo light. I think it's kilo light years. I don't know. Comment down below if you know how is that called. Another blue star. I want to check how the star that is not blue. This one. This one should not be blue. Yep, this one is not blue. It's another binary. Guys, oh, crap. I almost said the S word. But, yeah, look at these stars. Hold up, wait a minute. What is that? Wait. Why doesn't this photo right here shows a star inside of the rings of this planet? Hold up. Okay, this planet looks cool. It's definitely this moon. Wait, no, this is another planet. These two planets are very close to each other, which is pretty rare, but it is pretty cool. And this planet has pink and purple rings. What? I have never seen that before. Yeah, let's enter the rings of this planet. Gotta be like very slow because looks like they are very thin. So I have to be really close to enter them. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, look at that, guys. That is so cool. And like it has an atmosphere. Wait, is that an Aurora Borealis? Wait. Wow, look! Oh crap, whoa, what is that? Oh no, this is a gas giant. Oh. Yeah, but yeah, look at that. This is just a beautiful view. Imagine if we had like this type of view at our planet Earth. That would be just mystical and magical. Yeah, but yeah, let's explore another system. Whoa. Wow, I'm very fast. Let's explore another system. Like this star over here. Okay, it's another white star. Oh, it has 8 planets. Not too much. But yeah, these few planets at the start are burning. Whoa! Whoa, this looks very cool. Like, this planet looks kind of deserted because of all of this heat. Whoa, it has like this comet trail. Because it's so hot. Because it's so damn hot. Let's land on it. Whoa! Whoa, jeez. It has an atmosphere and clouds. What's this? What is this? Okay, so this is the star. Look how big it is. This just shows how close this planet is to this star. Wow. Wow. Like unbelievable. And if I turn on the atmosphere and the clouds, like you can see it like much harder. Like you can barely see it. But hey, a star is a star. Wait, this planet is actually pretty small. Wait, it actually has a mass of 6 of our moons. It still is like very close to its star. Wait, but this looks even closer. This is an asteroid. Whoa! Jesus! Average temperature on this asteroid is 1,633 degrees Celsius. This is crazy, guys. This is just insane. And guys, like if you wonder what are all of these dots around the star, those are actually the fragments of the planets that are falling off because of the insane heat of all of these planets. And like if you zoom out, not zoom out, if you like go far away, you can't even see those fragments or the planets. You just see this star. But yeah, guys, that's the Andromeda galaxy. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. If you didn't, then dislike the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.